back with another video. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I refresh my curls. I didn't want to make a long video, so this one is going to be pretty simple and pretty quick. For my products, I'm going to use some oil of my choice. I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorites. It's Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. If you don't have this one, I would recommend any refresher spray from the Main Choice. They are my favorite as well. And then I'm going to use a comb. And if you guys like how my eyeshadow looks, I did this on my own first try and it came out pretty good and I'm so excited. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this, then let me know down below in the comment section and I'll make a video for y'all. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. All I did was tie it up last night with this scarf. I made sure it went into a pineapple. So now what I'm gonna do is take the scarf off. And I am going to just run my fingers through it, loosen it up. And I'm going to take my spray leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray it. I mainly spray my roots first, because once my roots are loosened, then it's easier for my hair to fall into place. And this smells so good. And now I'm gonna take my hands and loosen it up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my curls. Make sure they're conditioned. I don't spray too much, but it is a leave-in conditioner, so it won't hurt to add a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna find my part. And this is how it looks so far, but I'm not done just yet. Make sure I get to the back where my neck is. Okay. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna rub it together and I'm just gonna squeeze my curls. And I'm not gonna disturb it too much. I'm gonna take a little more oil. I'm not gonna disturb it too much because I don't wanna cause unnecessary frizzing. Gonna make sure I get the back where my neck is, because that's where I have a lot of tangling. And a little bit more to get the front. Okay, so this is how I'm looking right now. And I'm gonna take my comb. I have this comb. I use this part to kind of pick it out. And I'm just gonna start creating my volume. I'm gonna try not to disturb the curls. As you can see, I'm just going to my roots, because that's where I'm gonna get the most volume. That's where your volume is going to come from. Make sure you get the middle and the back. And there you have it. So this is the final look. This is day 3 hair, so it's still holding up pretty good. I've been sleeping with my scarf and my pineapple for the last 3 days, and my hair is still going strong. So I'm pretty satisfied with the look and the volume. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again.